Hiker missing for 13 days in the rugged Australian Alps has been found alive. 23-year-old Hadi Nazari was last seen in Kosciuszko National Park in the New South Wales Snowy Mountains on Boxing Day. Reporter Makhnas Anguri has been following this story. Good evening, Makhnas. What more can you tell us?
Well, Catalina, it's just an extraordinary survival story. 23-year-old Hadi Nazari, a student from Melbourne, was missing for almost 2 weeks after he separated from his friends while hiking on Mount Kosciuszko National Park here in New South Wales. Now, search efforts began that same day and he's finally been found alive on day 13. More than 300 people were involved in the search, including family members, but it was actually hikers that accidentally stumbled upon him. The hikers called emergency services after Hadi saw them and called out to them. Now, he's been taken to hospital and police say he is in good health, and he's also been able to see some of his family members. Here's some of what the police had to say.
I can advise that he's been reunited with his family, who are very, very happy to obviously have him back, and very happy with the efforts from police and the other organisations who were assisted in this operation. One of my police at the scene had spoken to him and he'd relayed that he found a hut up there in the mountains, and there were 2 muesli bars up there that he's eaten, and that's pretty much all that he's had to consume over the last 2 weeks.
Now, I've been speaking to some of the families since late last week, and their resilience has just been astounding. They truly never gave up hope. Family members, of course, were very worried, very stressed, frustrated, calling for search efforts to be expanded. I was tic-tacking between them and the police, and the police were assuring them that they were doing everything in their power to get the result that we got today. Now, Hadi is part of the Hazara community from Afghanistan. He came to Australia in 2019. This community is very close, very tight-knit. I was actually among them in Melbourne over the holidays while Hadi was missing, and it's really all everyone was talking about. So this amazing result today is without a doubt great news for the family and for his entire community.